If you're looking for the fastest way to get abs, then you have came to the right video. If you're someone who's struggled to get that last bit of stubborn belly fat off, then this is the last video you'll ever need when it comes to getting abs and getting that last layer of stubborn belly fat away. I'm making this video so you don't have to go through the countless years and endless mistakes that I made and have seen my clients make on their own. You'll often hear that abs are made in the kitchen, and there is a decent amount of truth to this.
You can't handle the truth!
For example, I can consume 3 Krispy Kreme donuts in a matter of seconds for 1,000+ calories, but it would take me hours upon hours to burn those calories back off. While training your abs will help improve the size and thickness, it is the diet side that's going to strip that layer of unwanted body fat off for you to get and reveal those abs. Fitness legend Steve Cook was a perfect example of it is more difficult to burn calories than eat them when he tried to burn 10,000 calories in a day after consuming 10,000 calories a day. I don't even think he managed to do it, and he was literally working out the entire day. There are 4 main areas that we're going to need to look at in order for you to streamline the process to getting abs. And we know they're going to show at around 12 to 15% body fat. So here's the fastest path to get there. Area number 1 is going to be the most impactful, and that is your nutrition. Now, at the very least here, you need some form of calorie and some form of protein target. Can hear the question already. What's the best diet for me to get a six-pack? There is no right answer. The best diet is the one you can stick to. It doesn't matter if it's keto, carnivore, vegan, low carb, high carb, flexible nutrition, it doesn't matter. The 2 main things that are important are your calorie target and your protein target on a daily basis. And if you want the fastest way to get lean, I would suggest setting your calories 10 times your goal body weight in pounds and setting your protein to 1 gram per pound of your goal body weight. The second part of this puzzle is going to be your overall activity. It is not ab workouts, it isn't even workouts, it's your actual activity and movement on a daily basis. Now, how much activity should you be doing? Should you be working towards that sort of 10,000 step goal on a daily basis? Not necessarily. 10,000 is a great marker for overall activity in terms of steps per day, but if you're already doing 15,000 per day, or if you're averaging about 2,000 per day, then trying to get to 10 is either going to be pointless or going to be far too much of a stretch. If you want to be serious about getting abs fast, then increase that activity target by around 30%. Area number 3 is huge, especially if you want to look lean, athletic and muscular when you get abs, and it is intense exercise. There are a million ways you can do this. My preference is definitely weight training. You build the most amount of muscle, you have the greatest impact for your time, and to me it is pretty fun as well. So in terms of intense exercise, how often, how much, how many sets, reps, all that sort of stuff. Let's dive in. I would start in the region of 3 to 5 training days per week, aiming for the higher end, again, when we're trying to push ourselves here. Now that is with weights, and within those sessions, I would do 4 to 6 exercises, and I would focus on getting better over a period of at least 8 to 12 weeks. That may sound boring, or not doing a different plan every single week is a little bit tedious, but ultimately that's what's going to get yourself results. You have to set a plan, you have to get better, and give your body time to progress, adapt, and change. Track your progress as you're going through this and aim to add either reps or weight in every single exercise every single week. Area number 4 is boring, and it is sleep, and you've probably heard it a million times, but you need to sleep more. There was a study done on a group of people. One group slept 8 hours, one group slept 5 hours. The group who slept 8 hours versus 5 lost 55% more body fat than the group who slept 5 hours on the exact same calories. So the weight loss was the same, but they lost more body fat rather than losing lean mass. That is huge considering you don't actually have to do anything else. So aim for closer to 8 rather than down at 5-6 hours. Now you can put this plan in place, but you will inevitably hit a plateau. So here is exactly what you need to do every time you hit a plateau. You either decrease your calories by around 200 per day, Again, you have to be consistent with the targets I laid out, or you increase your activity in your steps by 20%. Or you could add 3 20-minute higher intensity cardio sessions. Those are the two options that you can take to break through a plateau. I suggest dropping calories, then increasing activity, then dropping calories, then increasing activity. You follow that framework over a period of time consistently, I guarantee you will have abs in the shortest time frame possible. If you enjoyed this video, off to the side is going to be the next most important one for you to watch, which is the fastest way to build a big chest. Go and check it out, and remember, if you haven't done so already, subscribe and hit that notification bell to be reminded of more future videos.